On Guam, it can be difficult to find auto detailing and ceramic coating specialists who not only know what they are doing but can deliver on what they promise. Here at Cherry Detailing, located on Guam, we strive to give our customers not only the best detailing service but to exceed their expectations. We realize that applying ceramic coatings is far more than just a simple transaction. After being in the auto detailing business, we strive to build long-term relationships with our customers, not just to talk about the great service they receive, but also because we want to be the number one option for anyone on Guam who is looking to get their car detailed. If you are on Guam and you are interested in a ceramic coating detail, we can assure you there is absolutely no place better to go. We love to answer any of your questions or put together a ceramic coating detail that will work for you, not only in terms of your budget, but also to get exactly what you want out of the life of your vehicle. If you are interested in auto detailing or thinking about a ceramic coating, feel free to contact us, send us an email, or send us a message on our social media platforms. We look forward to serving everyone on Guam.